Hello students, welcome once again to the biology classroom. Let us continue our chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. In the last lecture we have studied about the nucleus. Now we will discuss about the cytoplasm. So this is the structure of a cell and you are very much familiar about it. So various structures naming are given here, that is cytoplasmic membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, Golgi bodies, cytoplasm, mitochondria and chloroplast. So our today's topic is cytoplasm. So what exactly this cytoplasm is? Cytoplasm is a fluid portion of the cell and it is present between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. In other words, we can say that it lies outside the nucleus and inside the plasma membrane, and it is a jelly-like material which consists of water, inorganic and organic substances. And you all know that it also contains the specialized cell organelles, which I have told you that this is endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome and Golgi bodies, mitochondria, chloroplast. So all these specialized cell organelles are present inside this cytoplasm. Chemically, the cytoplasm represents true solution. Why? Because it contains about 70 to 85% of water, and remaining part includes sugar, minerals, vitamins, nucleotides, transfer RNA, many enzymes and proteins and amino acids, right? So what is the function of the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm give a shape to cell and it consists of dissolved nutrients. It helps the material to move around the cell by cytoplasmic streaming, and it is the site where most of the cellular activities takes place in the cell, right? So what is the cytoplasm made up of? Cytoplasm consists of three parts. First is the cytosol, second is the cytoskeleton, and third one is the cytoplasmic inclusions. Now what this cytosol is, students, actually cytosol is a translucent fluid in which the other cytoplasmic elements are suspended, and it is about the 70% of cell volume and composed of water, salts and organic molecules, and it is present outside the membrane bound cell organelles. Now I have tell about same thing about the cytoplasm, but if you carefully listen to me, you come to know about the one thing that I have not told in this, and that is the cell organelles. Student, what exactly cytosol is? Cytosol is a cytoplasm minus cell organelles. The remaining portion of the cytoplasm is called as cytosol when we exclude the cell organelles, right? So what is this cytoskeleton? Cytoskeleton is also found in the eukaryotic cells, and it is the system of filaments or fibers which help in maintaining the cell shape, and it is responsible for the movement of cell organelles and the cell. Just like the human beings, we have the skeleton system, you all know. Likewise, the cytoskeleton is present in this cell which perform the function same as the skeleton system perform in our bodies. If as I told you that this cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance and all the cell organelles are present in here, sometimes it comes to your mind that if it is a jelly-like substance, why doesn't the cell structure collapse? So student, it is because of the presence of this cytoskeleton, these fibers and filaments in this cytoplasm, which will prevent the collapsing of this cell and will help provide the proper shape to this cell. And next is the cytoplasmic inclusions. Basically, these inclusions are small insoluble substances and which are suspended in the cytosol, and a huge range of inclusions exist in this cell, and these are like glycogen, starch, crystals of calcium oxalate or silicon dioxide in the plant cells, and proteins, pigments. So all these things will come under the cytoplasmic inclusions. So I hope you are very much clear about what this cytoplasm is, and what the things that made this cytoplasm very important for the cell, right? So one more thing that most of the students get confused regarding what is this cytoplasm, what is this protoplasm, and what is this cytosol. So let me clear you all that once again from this is the 3D model of a cell, and in this cell you will see that what I have written, the protoplasm, cytoplasm and cytosol. So listen carefully what I am saying here. But this is the plasma membrane, you all know. This is the outer boundary. This is nucleus, and these all are the cell organelles that are present in the cytoplasm. So what is this protoplasm is? Anything inside the plasma membrane is protoplasm, right? It comprises of all these things like nucleus, this all cell organelles, this cytoplasm, all things. All the things which are inside this plasma membrane is called as protoplasm. Now what is this cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is everything included in the cell membrane except this nucleus. If we leave this nucleus and all the content that is present from where outside the nucleus and inside the plasma membrane or cell membrane is cytoplasm. And now what this cytosol is? Cytoplasm excluded cell organelles, or we can say that cytoplasm minus cell organelles are called as cytosol. So I hope it is clear to you that what is this protoplasm, cytoplasm and cytosol is. Please remember all these things, write down these definitions on your notebook and remember all these things. So in the last I have prepared some short notes of this topic. So take a screenshot so that they will be helpful for you when you are writing this chapter or the topics. So thanks for watching. In the next topic we will discuss about the various cell organelles and we will do the endoplasmic reticulum in our next video lecture.